the cup you used, still sitting on the table. Proof of how your love left fingerprints on my mornings and minutes. The curtains still sway like you do. Me swear me hear you in the room. Apply my tears in silent wait. Open love don't show up late. It's right where you left it, still warm, still true. My heart still beating like it know you do. Me never packed it, me never fold that little soft place you used to hold. Right where you left it, me love, me light. Me still walk softly through all nights. If you come back or if you don't, this love stay rooted in the home. Me tell my mind to let you go, but my pillow still believe you. Sure, some nights me laugh like you're right here. Other nights me wipe a tear. My friends them say, girl, move along, but healing don't rush, love gone wrong. Some things too deep to just erase. Me still hold you in my grace. Me never tried to fill your space. Me just water what you left in place. This heart's still yours if you return, and if you don't, me still learn. It's right where you left it, still warm, still true. My heart's still dancing when me think of you. Me never boxed it, me never hide. My love stays shining on the night. Right where you left it, me come, me cry. Me carry your love without goodbye. Me still believe in what we wrote. Me still wear your name like a code. Right where you left it, my heart's still waiting, my soul still lives.